All right, welcome everyone. Got this far today. Basically, to me, it looks like we got to do the connecting things on these wheels. There's a couple of details on the cab, obviously, and there's a couple of things that go off back here, but we should finish this up 3 videos, including this one. So today and the 2 tomorrow, and we shall be finished with this one up. So we'll be able to get it in motion and see how it looks with all these gears and cogs and wheels and things spinning. But with that being said, let's pull some pieces off and so we can get going today. It's basically a mirror image of what we did yesterday, or this morning actually. So pretty much all the same pieces again, I think. Let's see, 29, 30, and 31. 29. 30 and 31. Oops. That's what an odd position on that one, hard to get grip. And P5 times 4 and P6 times 2. Let's see. Yeah. 2. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and pull all the pieces right now so we don't have to stop in the middle and do more sanding like I did last time. Learn from your mistake. I don't guess it's a mistake. Just learn from your past so you can improve it. Then, so those, I will try and keep them a little separated. Okay, then 27, 28. Where'd you go? Huh. Put you back on. 7, 8, 32, 33, 34, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38. 35, 37, and 38. Oh, it did. Is that everything? Yep, that's all the pieces I'm going to need for today. So let's sand these down right quick. And I'm getting the ugly red battery flash thing, so I'm going to stop for a second, swap my batteries, and I'll be right back. Okay, that was simple enough. I've got one good battery, the one that came with the camera, and I've got one that I bought aftermarket because at the time you couldn't really buy the real brand name batteries. I think they're available now, but that one works, but it's obviously got lower capacity than the real battery. I get, I hate to call it a real battery, but it's the one that, like I say, the one that came with the camera is a significantly better battery, and that's the one I'm on now. I shouldn't say significantly. I mean, like I say, it does what it's supposed to do. It's just a smaller capacity, I guess. I forget. There's some milliamp hours difference, and I can't remember. I remember noticing it when I bought it. I didn't think I'd notice it in use, but yeah, it shows up. So I'll probably bite the bullet and pay the extra $30 to get another real brand name factory battery. It lasts probably at least 20 to 30 minutes longer, which I didn't think it'd be that much of a difference, but I also didn't think I would notice it, but I'd say it shows. See, did I do that one already? Okay, that's all our sanding done. And let's see here, but sort of separate these over so we don't intermingle them. And oh, it's not easy. Okay, there it is. Lost my spot. Okay, so you run it like that. Oh, put our guy in. It's all the way down. Go through here and the top one. Let's, and sort of split the difference, maybe. I forget. Let me move it back this way. Okay. That looks rightish. Oh, darn. I forgot there was waxing on this stuff. So, let's see, what else have I got to... Okay, I can still put that all together, because I think it'll still... I can still get access to the piece I'm wanting to wax while I'm letting it warm up. Let's see, through there. So I want the opposite side, just like last time. You, and then you, and then. Back the other way a little bit. Okay. Okay. And while, like I say, we're waiting on the wax to warm up, I'll skip ahead a little bit. And you gonna lay down reasonably well? Okay. Okay, so we have 28. First things first. 28 in there. And so spin this up. Get you folks lined up. Okay. And have 32 on top of you. I think this F32 is a little snugger than the last one. Okay. Okay, and then this is the part where I need to have it waxed. The other thing, nothing else I can really do until that wax warms up. I was thinking, where's all the other pieces go? Okay. Okay. Well, I know it's skipping back and forth and showing the steps and not showing the steps. That's very confusing to me. Okay, so it does say repeat it, but then it starts showing the instructions, and it's quit showing the instructions. It's a little bit off-putting, but okay. Where's this piece go? Okay, that goes on at the end. Okay. So you okay. That oriented like so. You go through first. And put you on here. But we're gonna have to wax this one and this one. And this is thing goes on the last thing to hold it all in place. So I'll take another break, let that wax melt, and I'll be right back, again. All right, we're back. I've got melted wax. Put you a little bit further out. Get to you guys. I don't guess I need that piece actually on there. Wax over here. Got my little stubby brush. Seems to be working okay. Okay, just still trying to figure out the proper way to do all that, but that's this does seem to be. I think this is I think this is the best way I've found to do it. The petroleum jelly worked really good, but it was a little bit on the messy side. Especially if it was exposed and you get your fingers into it. Alright. Now, oops. Let's get these over here. Bring you back down. Everything okay. Now, oops. I need you after a while, but to start off with, get that on there. Start off with this one. You go. How'd that go? Okay, into top slot, and you go in there. All right. A way to get pressure on that. There we go. Okay. What does that tie into? I forgot. Okay, it ties into the other piece. Okay. Okay, so then this one. Somehow I've assembled backwards, even though. Oh yeah, I didn't reverse it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, that one, where'd that go? Had some momentum on it. Okay, it didn't go far. Didn't go far enough for me to lose the microphone, though. Let's see how this is supposed to be assembled now. This one. Okay. Yep, okay, goes through like this into there. That veneer just blows out all over the place on these things. And you, the detail showing here. And that piece goes in there. And you go your slot and into that. You onto here. And this little red circle on top of that. Maybe. Get it. Okay, yeah, there it went. Alright. After all that rigmarole, that is step 28. So we got matching sides now. All the let's see. And I meant to say at the beginning, tomorrow I'm going to do steps 29 and 30 at midnight my time, and then 31 and 32 will go on at noon. So we'll be finished noon tomorrow on this one, and we'll start on to our next set. Do I have it here handy? I do not. Where did I put it? It's in here somewhere, I promise. And it's going to be another marble run by the ROKR company. I've had it sitting around for a little while. It's got a couple little interesting things. It's not quite as ornate as the U-Gears ones have been, but I do have another one of the U-Gears ones lined up in the future. And I've also got the U-Gears car coming, the one that looks sort of like the Shelby Cobra. They call it the drift car. Evidently, I think you just take the rubber bands off the wheels and it'll spin for you. Is what it comes down to. But that's my next few projects laid out for you. If you stayed this long, you should be able to hear some sneak peeks. That being said, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.